happy now here. So are we really happy? Totally happy? Happiness is counteracted with unhappiness also. But what is total happiness?
Sir, your photo is off with
Yes?
your video. Your photo, sir. It is okay, sir.
Oh, little bit here. Okay. So, as far as happiness is concerned, are we really happy? Totally happy from the core of our heart? That we have to understand in our holistic brand. Through holistic approach, happiness, unhappiness means history of the past and hopes of the future should be fused in the present happenings. So, present moment, if we are happy, then moment to moment we will be happy, then perpetual happiness will be there. So, whether we name the word happiness, peace, joy, pleasure, all sorts of words, what they give? They should give a feeling of happiness, and that feeling cannot be expressed through words. So words, meaning, and then feeling, experience, finally it should come from within, or it is all individual. It cannot be collective. So through happiness index, objectively we may measure that how human beings are happy, but that is not real. Reality is moment to moment, whether we are happy or not, that should reflect from our action, behavior, our thought patterns, everything. And that can be achieved through yoga and meditation better. Those thoughts and ideas about holistic yoga has to be incorporated so that we achieve whatever we want to achieve at the continuous process of life. So happiness and unhappiness is the parts or halves of the same coin. But once life is taken itself as a coin, so everything is included. Just like a rose flower which is having thorn, if we want only beauty, fragrance and color without thorn, that is not going to happen. And even suppose there is no pain in labor, in delivery, what will happen? Suppose nowadays cesarean birth is there. But cesarean birth, you will not get that natural time from which the all stars are linked. So कुंडली भी बेकार जाएगा. समझ रहे हैं? क्योंकि जो सिजरियन बर्थ होता है उसमें कुंडली का कोई महत्व नहीं होता है. ओनली नेचुरल बर्थ, नेचुरल टाइम, that will indicate the star's position, and to some extent future can be predicted. So in holistic brand, body, mind, soul as a whole, electron, proton, neutron, whole electronic configuration is to be taken into task. So whatever our purpose is, main purpose is to enjoy the life. and that enjoyment comes through managing our own mind. If we just struggle, or if we want to have peace or happiness or joy, want means what? It reflects that I am not having those things within me. That's why I want to put effort or struggle to get those things. But where we will receive or where we will feel happiness, joy or pleasure, whatever, it is within. So we have to go within and explore the difficulties, obstacles or whatever we may face time to time in life. Anyway, we will go in details through practice, as practice makes a man perfect. So without practice, without getting into water, learning swimming is not possible. That's what we will practice. Thank you. Start practicing.